What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Galaxy S25 Ultra reboots itself issue. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on device care. Now in device care scroll down and click on auto optimization and then click on auto restart. Now here you will see a restart when needed button. So if you have enabled this button, then tap on this button again to disable it, and also disable restart on schedule. Now after disabling these features, your reboot itself issue will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then the second solution is open settings, scroll down and here click on general management and then scroll down and click on reset. Now click on reset all settings and then click on reset settings. Now enter your lock screen PIN, password or pattern and then again click on this reset option. So when you will click on reset option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after resetting all your mobile settings, it will fix your reboot itself issue. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.